Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial on maps and scales. This time around I'm going to go through this full example, full question of for number 13. Okay, it will comprise of the length, distance and also the area. Okay, so it will basically cover everything that you need to know, or most of the things that you need to know about maps and scales. Alright, so in question 13, given the scale of map is 1 is to 500,000. So 1 is to 1 is to 500,000. It means 1 cm is to 5 km, right? This is as per what we learned in our introduction video, the conversion, right? So I'm going to remember this scale. 1 cm is 5 kilometers. This is very important. This is my distance scale. And for part B, find the distance between a train station and a hospital on the map in centimeters. Oh, now they tell us that the distance between these two is 9.6 kilometers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this equation. Sorry, I'm going to flip this scale. 5 km. 5 km is now 1 centimeters. And I find what is 1 km, which is 0.2 centimeters. Now, nothing is stopping me from finding 9.6 km, right? Which is simply 9.6 times by 0.2. Using your calculator, you will simply get 1.92 centimeters. Okay, so on the map, the distance between the train station and hospital is 1.92 centimeters. Okay. Let's look at part C. The fire station and hospital is 4.8 cm apart. How far apart is the actual distance in kilometers? Okay, so previously I have this. I'm going to box this out because I will need to use it later on. 1 cm is 5 kilometers. Therefore, 4.8 cm, okay, will be 4.8 multiplied by 5 kilometers. Okay, so 4.8 times by 5 is just 24 kilometers. So that's the distance between the fire station and the hospital. Okay, right, let's look at part D and E, where we are going to be looking at the area. All right, so a total area of 3.6 square kilometers will be reclaimed in Tuas. How big will it be on the map in square centimeters? Okay, so because they mentioned they give you in 3.6 kilometers, square kilometers, I will use this scale. Okay, yeah, I'm going to use this scale and convert into the area scale. So 1 km is 0.2 cm. So 1 square kilometers is simply means 0.2 times by 0.2, which is just 0.04 square centimeters. Okay, so now let's box it out. Remember, I said we need to find our area scale. This is now our area scale with regards with the perspective of the actual area first. And because I need to find 3.6, nothing can stop me because I have 1 unit, right? 3.6 square kilometers simply means 3.6 times by 0.04, and that will give us 0.144 square centimeters. This is the area that will be reclaimed, shown on the map. Okay, right? So let's look at the last part. Now 1.8 square centimeters of land will be conserved. What is the actual size? What's the actual land size to be conserved in square kilometers? So because they give us in square centimeters, we will use this scale here, okay, for this question. So 1 cm is to 5 km. So 1 square centimeters simply means 25 square kilometers. So again, nothing is stopping us from finding 1.8 square centimeters. Okay, it simply means 1.8 multiplied by 25, and our answer is equals to 45. Okay, 5 square kilometers. Okay, so boys and girls, this is the full example on the calculation for the with regards to maps and scales. Please look through this playlist, all the videos in this topic for maps and scales. Try to understand as much as possible. Do your practice, and let's make sure this kind of questions, this topic, is in one of your strong topics for your exam. Okay, till then, catch you at our next video.